You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name? There are two different ways of pronouncing it because there are different cities and locales that are pronounced or that are located in different countries. In Italy it's said as Syracuse, but in British English it's said as Syracuse. Syracuse. Now in the US, as in the city in New York State for example, Syracuse is how it's said. So depending on the location, in the US, USA, Syracuse. Elsewhere often Syracuse. Syracuse actually, Syracuse. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.